warm, fabulous welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I have taken you on an adventure to the countryside to breathe some fresh air. Inhale, exhale. This was the plan, but also to show you some of my summer styling ideas as well. We've got lots of summer dresses, got a few jackets, a few shorts in there as well, so let's get into it. If you are new here, we are back to the epic styling hauls, so wait to the end because there'll be a massive try on section with all this stuff, so don't go anywhere. I think personally you cannot beat a black maxi dress in the summer. It keeps you cool, it keeps you covered, and it's very classy and elegant. And the thing that I loved about this black maxi dress was how gorgeous the bust area was. Just look at that lace detailing, and it's slightly shorter at the front, longer at the back, but that gives you the perfect opportunity to show off your shoes, which you'll see later on in the styling section. It has adjustable straps so you can suit it to fit your body, and I found there was enough support in the boob area that you didn't have to, well, I didn't have to worry about the bra, but it did have support there for those of you that wondered. Lots of material, it's lined, and I just thought this was such a gorgeous, I love black for summer. It was such a huge trend on the catwalks for spring summer 2020. Spring summer 2020. Is it gonna happen? Lols. So this is a dress from Free People via ASOS, and I've actually seen it kicking around in a couple of different colours, like a burnt orangey brown, which was beautiful, but I think there was just black on ASOS. But you can check out the Free People website, they might have a few more colours. But yeah, definitely a gorgeous option for summer. This next dress I thought was fabulous for a cocktail day, big sunglasses on, or if you have a very late summer holiday that you're planning and you're picturing summer on a beach somewhere, or you want to recreate that in your own home if you've got a lovely garden. I thought this was absolutely fabulous. It was a fabulous dress. It was a bit of a touch of me. So we've got this white, I think, leopard print into like the orangey leopard print. It has a layer of a dress underneath, so this floaty bit is just like an overlayering. You've got your belt around the middle, a v-neck. I just thought it was a fabulous kind of kimono for over the top of a bikini. If you've been sunbathing in your garden and you want to throw something fabulous on for your evening meal, then this is absolutely gorgeous. Big black sun hat, definitely a bougie number for the summer weather. I find the big sleeves aren't overpowering as well. They just float really nicely when you move for a stunning look. So this next one is a gorgeous pink floaty, really feminine girly dress. It's the epiphany of girliness because it's got these ruffles on the bottom as well, which I love. So this is from a boutique called Anne Louise Boutique. She's got a good eye for gorgeous dresses. Definitely check that out for some gorgeous summer dresses. I loved the rush detailing, the buttons on the sleeve that you'll be able to see, and then this rushing detail at the bottom is just beautiful. Very typically, I just love the detail that's gone into this. I paired it with a fluffy jacket if you wanted to casual it down a bit. I just thought this was the most perfect little summer cute dress. I always love to carry a cardigan with me as well in the summer months because this is England, it still gets cold. Someone messaged me on my Instagram asking me why I was in an autumn outfit, and it can get so chilly still in England. So carrying a cardigan around with you to pop on over a really girly summer dress is just a gorgeous boho chic kind of look. And of course I had to pair it with a straw hat. These straw hats come in so handy in summer. I've got so many of them. They keep the sun off your face, they keep your hair back. I literally don't go out without one. They are always super handy to have. So this is an absolutely gorgeous Cara Millen dress. They had it in a different pattern as well, so do check out the website. It has this tie waistband. I love this. A wraparound dress is key because it's really flattering to your body. You can fit it to suit you. It covers the shoulders, but it's really quite delicate, so it's a nice elegant way to cover the shoulders, and you've got so much fabric in this maxi skirt that it just creates this gorgeous billowing effect. It has pleats in too, I don't know if you can see there, which makes it so gorgeous. This came in a number of different colours on the website, so if you like it, definitely go check it out. I've just paired it with a black straw hat and a black straw bag. A very cute way of pairing black with summer outfits still. And if you're ever worried about a low v-neck, a really simple way to combat this is to put like a black lace body underneath it, or a nude bralette or something like that, just to cover you up a little bit more. Or you could pin it, or I like to stitch a little bit of a stitching in the breast area just to cover it up a little bit more if you want to stay a little bit more conservative conservative. I know my mum likes to. It has lots of fabric in it as well, so it moves really, really beautifully. It keeps you really cool in the hotter months if you're lucky enough to live in one of those hot countries. So this one is for those of you that love a bit of colour. We've gone for vibrant yellow. Look how gorgeous this dress is. It has this gorgeous kind of ruching detailing at the top, these puffy sleeves, then we've got this tight little bodice area into the cutest little mini dress, and I just thought this was so gorgeous. It's for Love and Lemons by ASOS, but this style in particular I just thought was the most cutesy little summer dress. Goes perfectly with my scenery. It's as if I planned it. See what I did there? I may think YouTubing is easy. Really to brighten up anyone's day. If you wanted something bright to your wardrobe, then this is definitely the little number for you. For Love and Lemons always has the most beautiful, gorgeous dresses, so definitely check them out if you're looking for that kind of dress. So I picked up these denim shorts for ASOS. I liked the fact that they were not quite like really baggy shorts, they were not quite hot pants, they were that really midi kind of short. They had it fits you really nice around the stomach area, the smallest part of your body, and then it covers the whole bum and a bit of your leg, so it's not too super short. And I just thought they were so handy, so I wanted to give these a shout out. I think they're called mom shorts from Pull & Bear, but via ASOS. So I thought this next one was a really interesting take on a white like broderie dress. I love the detailing in it, so much going on. It looks a little bit weird here. It probably makes more sense when I have it on. But you've got so much skirt at the bottom, lots of layering. It's like very asymmetrical, lots of frills around the top. And I just thought it was such a beautiful take on like just a normal dress. So if you're brave enough to have your skin showing around your stomach area, definitely give this a whirl because I think it's gorgeous. I thought this dress was cute, a little bit sexy, and I love that kind of contrast. Lots of stuff going on here, which I really enjoyed. It's from a brand called Lioness, which I found on ASOS, and I fell in love with the brand. It had so many cute items on there, so definitely give them a check out. But as I said, I love the contrast of like the sexy as well as the really ladylike feminine dress to the midi, like a midi calf length. So you've got a really contrasting dress here, perfect for those wanting to achieve both, which I do. Classy and sexy, it's all I want to do in life. I wish. And again, my straw hat as well to keep the sun off my face on those sunny days. So next up, I bought this little crop top, and I think they have pants to go with it, so it might be a bikini, I'm not entirely sure. It's from Topshop via ASOS, there's a theme here. But I thought this would be cute just to go with like black shorts, black skirt. I don't know, I just thought that was a really unusual, it reminded me of the kind of Dior pattern. That's why I picked it up. I thought that would be really interesting to play around with, so I thought I'd show you. So this is one for the rainy days, especially in England. I don't know what it's like in your countries, but in England, 1 minute's bright sunshine, the next minute's torrential rain. So we have to plan for that. So summer coats are still essential. So this is kind of like what I would wear as a summer raincoat. It is from Stradivarius, which is actually really affordable, and it's kind of this cream clerk, just a laid back raincoat just to throw on over your jeans. It has a really nice designer-esque feel to it. It looks very expensive looking, I think, and really casual at the same time, a hard mix to find. So you'll see me try that on in the styling section in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
are as powerful as love, as loud. Poison is yet powerful. Love, love.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today and you can breathe in some fresh air and relax for a second. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know your favourite look in the comments below. I always love hearing what you guys like the best. My Instagram is at the Laura Blair. Come say hey over on there, and I hope you guys are all doing really, really well. Let me know if any of you are struggling in the comments. DM me. I'm always here to chat. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you soon for another video.